Join Arts and Crafty Central for the 12 days of Craftsmas. Up until Christmas, we'll be releasing 12 crafts, either holiday themed or perfect for holiday gifts. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the holiday fun. To begin, cut a fabric rectangle 11 by 7 inches. Then fold it in half, good side to good side, and sew across this side. You can use a sewing machine or sew it by hand. Sew one of the other ends by hand using an accordion type stitch by pushing the needle back and forth so that the fabric bunches up. Pull the thread tight and wrap it around a couple times. Tie a knot and turn it inside out. Pour some dry rice into the bottom and fill the rest with stuffing. Use the same back and forth stitch to sew the top closed. Pull it tight and tie a knot. Next, cut some fake craft fur into a triangle piece big enough to be the beard. Hot glue it onto the top of the body. Then hot glue a wooden bead on for the nose. Next, cut a big triangle out of another fabric to be the hat. Fold it in the center, sew it closed, and turn it inside out. Next, hem the edges. I used hot glue, but you could sew this part. Stuff the hat and then glue it onto the rest of the gnome. Covering the top of the nose. To make the arms, fold a piece of fabric in half and cut 2 rounded pieces like this. Sew most of each arm closed, leaving a small piece open for stuffing. Turn them inside out. Stuff them. And sew them closed. Next, sew the arms onto the body. Now it's time to make the skis for the gnome. Cut a skinny popsicle stick into 2 pieces and cut off the rounded ends. Next, cut both rounded ends off of a normal-sized popsicle stick and glue them to the skinny pieces to create the ski poles. Cut a wide popsicle stick in half so you have 2 ski shoes. And glue those pieces under the gnome. And lastly, glue the ski poles onto the gnome hands.